All right, so this is for my advanced students. You've made your 5 to 6 inch square tile. You've broken it up into 4 sections. They don't have to be equal sections. It could be very straightforward, or you can do something a little more creative with how you break it up. And now you have to work on your surface decoration techniques or surface design techniques. Every section needs to have additive. That is a requirement. So make sure you do that so you don't lose any points. It doesn't have to be totally covered in added clay. It can be just small areas if you want to. You're going to figure it out as you go along. So you have your drawing done, and you're going to refer to your drawing. I don't have one with me at this moment. And now I'm going to start adding clay. I have my clay that's already been wedged. I'm going to pull some off. I only want a small amount. Okay. One of my sections has a bunch of stripes in it, so I am going to move this out of the way. So I'm going to roll out my clay. Okay. I can create strips of clay a lot of different ways. I could roll out a bigger slab and then cut nice straight lines from it, or I could do something like this. Right? If I was going to roll out a bit of clay and cut lines from it, grab some more. Again, this has all been wedged. You need to be careful about making it too skinny. Definitely does help to have something on the side, right? So that you don't make it too thin. But I trust myself when I'm rolling this out, so I'm not too worried about me making it too thin. Look, now I have this piece, and I can take my popsicle stick and use it as a straight edge. So I'm just showing you a couple different ways to make strips of clay. All right, there's one. Here's another one. Okay. All right, and now I'm going to add these pieces, all these pieces. You can see they do look different, so that's something to consider. I'm going to add these pieces to this bottom section right here. In order to do that, I need to score the area. So I got to go in lots of different directions. I don't want to leave spaces blank with untouched, because that means I'll have problems later when it falls off. Okay, I'm going to take this one and do the same thing. It works better if you do sound effect noises, like psh, psh, psh. Right. Now I've got my everything scored. That was my first step. Second step is to use some slip. So I'm just going to grab some of this chunky soft stuff in here. Okay. You can blend this perfectly if you want to. I just haven't had any time. And then I'm going to put it down right there. This is my third step. Stick it and then wiggle it. Okay, you can see the slip kind of squishing through. And then my last step, after I really feel like this is good, is to blend it. I'm going to blend it all around. I'm going to pull that a little bit off there. I'm going to stay in the area. And if I want to keep this hanging off, I need to blend it underneath too. So no air can get underneath this shape. Okay. I can also cut that off too. All right.